model, 69-plate Citroën Relay 35L3 diesel 2.2 BlueHDi H2 van 140 PS Enterprise Euro 6 ULEZ low mileage. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 46,490. Engine, 2,179 cc DW12 BlueHDi 140. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, runs fine. Turbo needs repairing or replacing. Easy repair to get this back to how it should be. Engine is 100% fine, gearbox and clutch looks all good. What a van. Starstruck. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean, 10 out of 10. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, start-stop, air-con, parking sensors, sat-nav, cruise control, electric windows. EU status, Euro